Well, hello, my friend, a business owner. We're going to go over some awesome information for you. You have a business. I know you might be thinking about, well, how do I fund my business? I heard about you all. You help with the taxes, the bookkeeping, the personal credit, and the business credit. Yes, we do that. That is true. However, also what we do is we cover details that help you get funded. And some ideas to help you get funded is crucial, especially if you want to expand and grow. And I know if you're listening to this right now, you have goals of expanding and growing your empire. So we're going to talk about how to get approved for business financing. Well, how do you get approved for business financing? And also, I'm going to share with you 9 different ways that you can get some business funding. It's out of the box. It's a little unorthodox, but however, there's a way that we go that you can get funding so you can go to the next level and scale your business. And with no further ado, let me get right into it. My name is Cardell Williams with 360 Global Business. Now, how to get approved for business financing, right? A lot of you want to know, how do you get approved? So the good news is there's a lot of funding options outside of those conventional banks like the SBA loans. We have a lot of alternative financing. It's really one of the most popular options out there today because, banks, sometimes they're a little stringent and they're tough to lend you money for your business. So what you can do is you can get business credit regardless of your personal situation. Let's go over some options to prove that point for you today. So I'm going to give you the juice, give you the sauce, if you will, right? Alternative business financing. So take some notes in this. This is great. Business financing, a lot of times is based on your strengths. Most alternative sources will lend you money based on your business strengths. Every business is built differently. So every business may have a strength. It is not just based on a score. All right. So if you have certain strengths, you can get approved. Let's go over the 3 C's of lending. 3 C's of lending. The 3 C's of lending goes like this. The 3 strengths you'll need to get one of these things approved may include cash flow, collateral, credit, good, personal, or business, right? Again, that's cash flow, collateral, credit, whether it's good, personal, or business. All right. So this is one option. This is option number 1. Cash flow financing. Cash flow financing is one of the most popular types of business financings available today. Most ads related to getting business financing with bad credit and no startup costs is a form of cash flow financing. So we see a lot of those ads online and things like that. They're speaking about cash flow financing. The 2 most common types of cash flow financing are merchant advances, business revenue finance, right? So those are the 2. If you have any kind of merchant, you have a lot of accounts that's called merchant advance. So you get advance on your merchant accounts, and business revenue financing, right? Very important. Cash flow financing qualifications. You might ask yourself a question, well, how do I qualify for this, right? What do I do to qualify for this cash flow financing? So to get approved for cash flow financing, you'll need to be able to show 6 months, very important, 6 months of business bank statements and merchant statements. All right. If you need help with that, inbox us. We can assist you with getting your books in order as well. As you already know, that's one thing that we do. Now, those bank statements must reflect that your business makes over $120,000 in annual revenue, or about $10,000 monthly. All right. And again, now this is one of 9 I'm going to be going over with you today. All right. So stay tuned, because one of these is going to be for you, and you're going to inbox, and we're going to get you all set up so you can start scaling and growing your business. Again, the cash flow financing qualifications, $10,000 monthly. So this way you can also get a merchant advance, $5,000 credit card revenue monthly. If you have a $5,000 in credit card revenue monthly, you can get a merchant advance. All right. Other qualifications: you're going to need to be in business for 1 year to qualify. 1 year. You're going to need to have more than 10 transactions or deposits per month into your business account. You can't have more than 10 non-sufficient fund charges. Very good to know. It's good to know this beforehand, right? you should have some sort of balance left at the end of each month. The banks don't want to see you struggle. They want to make sure you're not struggling, that you just need a little bit to get over, and you have plans and you have a good history. So they're looking at your financial resume, which is your bank statements for them, right? So very, very important. Cash flow financing, revenue lending, and merchant advances. These are short-term loans, 6 to 18 months. Loan amounts anywhere between 10,000 to 500,000. The loan amounts equal 8 to 12% of your annual revenue, and the rates typically go around 10 to 45%. So they're higher rates, but at the same time, a 500 credit score is accepted. It's usually the Experian. They look at your Experian 500 credit score. If you need help with that, again, let us know. We can assist you with that as well. The good thing about this, there's no collateral requirements. That's the good thing about this. There's no collateral requirements for this. All right. Now, what are some of the benefits for the cash flow financing? Personal credit isn't a big factor in qualification. So if you're not currently in trouble right now, such as being in bankruptcy or having recent judgments or liens, you can get money super fast in less than 72 hours. How can that help you in your business? All right. And the approval is easy. Just a quick bank statements review. The company reviews it for you, and then 72 hours, it'll be in your business checking account. Make sure you have a business checking account. So the cash flow at this point, of course, you already have that. The cash flow financing, some more benefits. You can easily renew your advance and get more money within 24 to 48 hours with a review of 2 months bank statements. So once you pay down at least 50% of your initial advance, this is going to really help you. All right. It's going to really help you, because if you need it, if you have another bid coming up or something going on and you need that money right away, once you pay down 50% of your initial advance, you can get another loan. So you can get approved when you get denied with most other sources, right? So this is just one of the most forgiving business lending options available today. So number 2, let's go over collateral-based financing. Perhaps this is going to help you in your business. Now, what is collateral-based financing, Cardell? All right. That's acceptable collateral. What is acceptable collateral? Accounts receivables, stocks, bonds, other securities, inventory, purchase orders. Very important, right? So take a look at that. If you have those things, you're in the game. You might have thought before, maybe I don't have any options. We're talking options right now for your business to scale and grow. So some more acceptable collateral is equipment. So if you have some equipment, whatever that is, if it's expensive equipment or expensive equipment that is worth something of value, that can be acceptable collateral. What about a 401k? Yes, that is part of the collateral-based financing as well. Real estate, you have real estate, right? So look at those three. Maybe you didn't realize that equipment, 401k, and real estate is acceptable collateral for collateral-based financing. So account receivable factoring, what are some of the factors? Up to 80% of receivable is forwarded. 1 year in business required. Must be receivables from another business or the government. Some of y'all have government contracts, right? So that's really important for you. And the rate, oh, I love this. The rate is only 1.25% to 5%. So they're lower rates as well. Number 3, security-based lines of credit. That's 70 to 90% LTV of stock value. Rates as low as 2 to 3%. Working capital, you get a working capital line of credit for your security-based lines of credit. And if you have challenged personal credit, it's okay. It is okay if you have any personal credit, because they look at your security for your stock value. So if you have that, but you have a challenged credit, that's fine. What about number 4, inventory loans? Did you know the inventory loans, if you have inventory, the minimum inventory loan amount has to be $150,000. It can be more, of course, but that's the minimum. General loan value costs 50%. Thus, inventory value will have to be 300,000 plus, 300,000 plus. So no lump together inventory like office equipment. So rates are normally 2% monthly on the outstanding loan balance. That just helps somebody right now who needed a inventory loan. Look how low that percentage is. And examples of companies that might qualify for include a factory. If you have a factory or a retail store, this can really, really help you. Number 5, purchase order financing. Yes, we're giving you all the details today. One of these or multiple of these can see this is outside of the box, unorthodox ways of getting funding, but businesses are using this all the time. So I really hope this is helping you and your organization. Purchase order financing. Purchase order financing is anywhere between $5,000 to $500,000. You can get up to 95% of your existing purchase orders advanced. You'll be issued a letter of credit. This is how it goes. You'll be issued a letter of credit, and that's how the funding works. What about the 401k financing? 401k financing. 401k or IRAs can be used. This is number 6, right? It can be used. 401k financing can be used. Up to 100% financing. Rates usually less than 5%. So you're basically investing your 401k into your own business instead of buying stocks in other businesses. And there's no tax ramifications based on proven IRS strategies. So number 7 is commercial real estate financing. We're rolling along. Commercial real estate financing. That's $75,000 to $20,000 loan amounts. $75,000 to $20,000 loan amounts. You get up to 55% loan to value for refinancing. Right. Up to 55% loan to value for refinancing. And these are typically 20 to 30-year loans, which is the rates are only between 4 to 8%. Now, what is the FICO? Usually they go with the Experian, actually. It's 650 FICO score needed for approval. If you need help with that, let us know. We can assist you with that. Well, look at that. If you have a 650 FICO, again, Experian, and you have these qualifications, the commercial real estate financing could be your ticket. So, and this is for conventional and SBA 504 loans. They are available. So conventional and SBA 504 loans are available for those that just asked that question. What about credit-based financing? All right, number 8, credit-based financing. Well, let's dive into what that is. Let's talk about unsecured business credit cards. So the approval amounts from $10,000 to $150,000. That's based on business credit reporting. If you need help with that, let us know. We can help you with that. Business credit reporting. See, how this works is you have to have excellent personal credit with open revolving credit, low inquiries, right? You want to have a low to 0 inquiries, utilizing under 30%. So you want to have your utilization really low, and we can show you how to do that as well. You want to have your inquiries low with no derogatories, all right? So some of you, the unsecured business credit cards can work for you. The approval amounts are similar to current limits. So if you have approval amounts, whatever your current limits are, 0 to 25% APR, 0% for 6 to 18 months, and 9 to 12% fee. Listen to this, ladies and gentlemen. This can really help your business if you're in a position with the credit already, but you need to work on the other parts. So if some of you right now have the credit, you can make this happen. So contact us today and we learn more about this, how to build your business loans, even if you have bad credit with no collateral, no cash flow at all. So what you want to do is you want to go to easybusinessflow.com. easybusinessflow.com. You go to easybusinessflow.com, all right, or you can just respond to this video that you've seen and let's set up an appointment. Let's go over your details and see how we can get you funded. So if either of those ways, if you looked at it and you say, you know what, I have this, that's the one, the collateral, the business, the cash flow, whatever it is, let's discuss it and let's go over the details and see how we can get you to the next level. This is Cardell Williams with CJW Global Solutions, and we're here to see you grow and scale because it's time for you to go to the next level. We'll talk to you soon. You enjoy the day.